Hi everyone, you're on Sveta Rash channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I want to show you how to create a beautiful and voluminous ponytail from a simple and dull ponytail. And if you are interested, stay with me.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer.
Before making any hairstyle, you should brush your hair properly and get out any tangles.
Break the chains.
Today's hairstyle can be divided into 3 steps. You can use them either individually or all together, but I'm going to do a ponytail step by step so you could see the final result. The first step is perfect for those who can hardly put their hair in a ponytail. To create a beautiful and smooth ponytail, you will need a hair tie and 2 bobby pins. We take a hair tie and insert the bobby pins, so we get this kind of accessory that can help us to secure our ponytail in a nice and safe way and gather the hair with no bumps. First, I divide my hair into 2 sections. I pull my hair into a ponytail at the back of my crown. And now, with the help of our accessory, I'm going to secure my ponytail. Firstly, I secure the first bobby pin at the base of the ponytail, hold it and the ponytail, and with the help of my right hand, I wrap the hair. In the end, I secure the second bobby pin, also at the base of the ponytail.
So take my hand.
As a result, our hair is beautifully and tightly secured. Now I slightly shape it at the nape, neatly pulling out the strands. And after that, I'm adding the remaining hair to the ponytail and secure it with a hair tie. Well, you can already notice that this ponytail looks much better than the regular one. To add some volume to my ponytail, I split the top part of it and secure it with a hair clip. Now I take some strands, backcomb them a little bit and set it with a hairspray.
Join the army of the shadows, going harder. We are more than numbers, standing in their shade.
Then I unclip the top part and neatly adjust it to the ponytail. Now we can notice that my ponytail looks pretty and voluminous. But if you want to create the illusion of a fuller ponytail, you can use a little claw clip. It is desirable to match your hair. Separate some part of hair from the ponytail
And dive into the sky.
and secure it with a claw clip in the middle.
Hear the wind crying out its prayer.
Now adjust the ponytail, and this way it looks higher, fuller and thicker.
Be alive. Break the chains and our freedom's ours.
To make your ponytail look perfect and complete, I separate a tiny hair strand from it and wrap it around the ponytail. So I get this beautiful and voluminous ponytail. Do not forget that you can use all these steps either all together or individually. It all depends on what kind of effect you want to achieve. And that's it. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. There will be a lot of beautiful and various hairstyles. Thank you very much for watching me. Best wishes, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!